Hi guys, welcome to my house. Today I'm going to make you another vlog. So many of you requested me to do a shopping vlog, so today I decided that we go together to supermarket. I just have some kind of mini shopping that I need to buy some stuff which I'm going to show you, and also I need to go to the bank. I need to go to post office to post this online order from one of my customers. As you know, I have an online shop, Etsy shop, which I have great stuff there. The link is at the description box of the video. If you would like, you can just go and check it out. Today it's sunny, unlike the other days which is cold and rainy. That's why I could just finally wear my summer clothes, and I'm sure that we are going to have a lovely day out. The weather is so pleasant, so let's go and start our day.
It seems like we've been here before. Since 17, it's been par for the course. Oh, 'cause it's a Thursday and I forgive you, but I got empty cups filling up my bedroom, and I keep thinking this all could end soon, as if the world's ever on time. You tell me that it's okay if I'm not okay, going off the deep end. What can I say? I've been feeling low.
Okay guys, first we are going to big Tesco Superstore, and then from there going to the Asian supermarket, because I always buy my grains from there, which they've got a variety of all the grains, and I always buy it from there. So let's go.
I've been feeling low.
Okay, so we've come to the town center first, need to go to the bank and then go to the post office as I told you, and then we are going to go to shopping, supermarket. Just want to show you the town center is so beautiful.
Do you think about the state of it all? Oh, could it be Rome is starting to fall? Whoa. Blinking in the courtroom. Lately all I seem to do is disappoint you. I got blood stains in the cheap suit, but I think that I'm alright. Could you tell me that it's okay if I'm not okay, going off the deep end? What can I say? I've been feeling low. I've been feeling low. If you ask me if it's all true, probably could call up all our best friends, have a party. I've been feeling low. I've been feeling low. Would you tell me that it's okay if I'm not okay, going off the deep end? What can I say? I've been feeling low. I've been feeling low. You ask me if it's all true, probably can call up all our best friends, have a party. I've been feeling low. I've been feeling low.
Bunch of rubbish. Oh, Rob, look, spaghetti. I don't want you to become angry at me. To admit it right now, but I have to come clean. I have to come open. I have to come clean. Look, baby popcorn. Oh, look, I found baby popcorn. I found very baby. It's a nice tree, you know. Can I eat this tree? Can I eat this?
Beggar a skanko.
I must inform you took a video. I must inform you started recording.
Beggar.
I must inform you I'm going to scan this. I must inform you I scanned this.
Beggar.
Mum, is this couples?
Beggar a skanko do też.
Check. You can sure?
Yes,
How are you sure?
I am.
Mum, I'm so bored. Man, I have to come clean. I have to open. Can I scan it? Mom! I don't want to buy popcorn because of you. You know that?
Better. Move it. Right guys, we're done with Tesco. Now we're going to the Asian shop to do a little bit of more shopping, and that's it.
Why?
Do it now.
I'm doing it!
I've been feeling low.
I'm so bored.
Bingo. It's bingo.
I want to play Gmod with you. Gmod.
Do your teeth stop you from smiling and eating? Do you hate the thought of false teeth? Talk to TDC about Smile in a Day dental implants. TDC Smile in a Day dental implants.
إنها هلا بيزا تترولي. بيزا تترولي. Peki. I'm at work basically, you know, this is my work. Beza Sonja.
Why does Papa do this? Mummy, mummy, that's still disgusting. Hey mom. Mom. Are you gonna buy meat, by the way? Chicken meat. Soap. Can we eat the soap? Oh, can I eat the soap?
Yes.
Did they have like?
because you did it to this finger. See? Look what you did. See?
Yeah.
I saw Venturian play it. Basically. And people, Venturian, I hope he comes back. He was...
Okay guys, that's almost everything that I needed, so shopping today is completed. Okay, that was pretty much my shopping for today. I could not get anything refreshing to drink. I guess I'm gonna go home and have that watermelon that I bought, some kind of shake or something. I'm so thirsty. So that was it for today, and I'll see you soon in another vlog.
Do you think about the state of it all? Oh, could it be when it's starting to fall? Whoa.